How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you are signed in, just tap on the plus button that you can find from the bottom here, and then just make sure to select a certain post that maybe you would like to share with someone here and invite as a collaborator. Now once you have done that, you could add a music and so on, but I'll just tap on next. Then after I have done that, what I will do is I'll just come back first. I will go to tag people. Then as I normally do, I can just tap the invite collaborator option. I can simply search for the person that I would like to invite as a collaborator. Then after I have done that, I'll be able to invite them as a collaborator. Remember that they have to accept the invitation for this post to also show on their feed. So this way you can invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.